My name is Joel Grimes with the Small Wheel Loader Product Group based in Clayton, North Carolina. And it's my pleasure to introduce to you today the 938K and the full family of K-Series loaders. 924K, 930K, and 938K. These machines have been designed completely new from the front end to the back end to deliver class-leading operator comfort, class-leading performance, and class-leading fuel efficiency. We're going to be covering the 2.5 up to the 4 cubic yard bucket range and on up to the 6.5 cubic yard bucket range for our lighter material densities. These tractors are going to be between the 145 horsepower range up to the 175 horsepower range. Here we are in the business end of the CAT K-Series loaders with the Caterpillar patented Performance Series buckets, which deliver an 8% improvement in fill factor and are 15% quicker during the load cycle, delivering more production to your bottom line. One of the key enablers to the new Performance Series buckets is stretching out the floor length. So as we penetrate the pile, we bring more of that material with us during the rack portion. The long floors also help flick the material all the way to the back of this spill guard so you fully load this bucket on every pass. Another key differentiator for the Performance Series buckets are the round sidebars, which deliver two key values. They help funnel material into the bucket during the dig cycle to get those improved fill factors. They also help maintain material as you make steering corrections on your approach to the truck, so you put more in that truck on every pass, going straight to your bottom line. Here we are at the Caterpillar exclusive patented Fusion Interface Coupler. The Fusion Interface Coupler delivers two key values. It eliminates rattle and wear through the constantly charged wedges, and it minimizes tool offset, maintaining peak performance for all the CAT hook-on implements. The vertical wedges are constantly pressurized through the cylinders, which pulls the tool tight to the coupler, eliminating all the rattle and all the wear associated with conventional style couplers. Tool offset is reduced in the Fusion Interface Coupler by positioning the wedges beside the bucket pin and not in front of the bucket pin like conventional style couplers. This allows us to pull the tool tighter to the coupler and minimize offset, maintaining peak hydraulic breakout forces and class-leading dump clearance on all CAT attachments. Let's take a look at our patent-pending optimized Z-bar linkage, which delivers three core values: outstanding visibility out here to the work tool and to the coupler, parallel lift, and high hydraulic tilt forces all the way through the working range. The design of the optimized Z-bar linkage delivers class-leading visibility by minimizing the visual clutter down to the business end of the loader. By standing the cylinders up vertically, we can take the mechanism and put it back and down below sight lines. We've also lined up the hydraulic lines, the structure of the linkage, the width of the lever in the same spot so that we maximize the visibility lanes down here to see coupler, fork tips, work tool. The optimized Z-bar linkage has been designed to maintain mechanical advantage and high hydraulic tilt forces all the way through the working range, delivering parallel lift as standard when using pallet forks and minimizing bucket variation through the lifting range to put all of that material into the truck. New to the K-Series small wheel loaders is an electro-hydraulic control system which enables two new features: in-cab programmable kickouts and electro-hydraulic cylinder snubbing. The key enabler to the two new hydraulic features are the heavy-duty rotary sensors on the tilt circuit and the lift circuit, which tell the machine where the linkage is at any given time. Kickout positions can easily be set from the comfort of the new operating station for lower, lift, and tilt through the soft touch keypad as standard. Our exclusive electro-hydraulic snubbing feature slows the cylinder velocity before end stop conditions are met, such as cylinder stroke limits, rack, or dump limits. The feature minimizes wear and tear on the machine, and more importantly, minimizes wear and tear on you, the operator. The electro-hydraulic control valve for the K-Series small wheel loaders is mounted in the front frame, dramatically simplifying the hydraulic lines routing across the hitch area, minimizing potential damage to the hydraulic lines and service costs to you. Another exclusive feature on the K-Series small wheel loaders is a dedicated pump for the steering system and a dedicated pump for the implement system. The value is that we can maintain class-leading cycle times for multi-functioning such as steering and lifting on your approach to a truck. Also new to the K-Series small wheel loaders is an electronically controlled hydrostatic drivetrain governed by our intelligent power management system. The electronically controlled high-stat drive system allows independent control of ground speed through a left pedal operation and engine RPM through a right pedal operation. The system also delivers two new features as standard: rim pull control for matching rim pull to underfoot conditions, and creeper control for adjusting ground speed for slow speed operations. The rim pull control feature, adjusted by the operator through the soft touch keypad and secondary display, allows the operator to turn the wheel slip down to match the underfoot conditions, minimizing wheel slip, increasing tire life, and saving you money. The creeper control feature, adjusted through the soft touch buttons and the secondary display, allows you to independently control ground speed and RPM, so the operator can set ground speed low and RPM high for operations such as brooming. The K-Series small wheel loaders feature a differential locking front axle as standard on all three models. The diff lock can be engaged at full torque through a trigger on the implement handle. The rear axle is an open differential as standard, but a limited slip differential is optional. With the traction aids available on the new K-Series small wheel loaders, we can keep this loader on the job even in soft underfoot conditions. The K-Series small wheel loaders feature a Tier 4 interim compliant engine with an extended life diesel particulate filter and a Passive Plus regeneration system designed to manage itself so you don't have to. The engine, the hydrostatic pump, the implement pump, and the steering pump in the K-Series small wheel loaders have all been resized to run at a lower 1,800 revolutions per minute max RPM, reducing cycle count and increasing longevity in all of the rotating components. Our exclusive intelligent power management system actively monitors the operator's inputs for steering, for implements, and for drivetrain, and keeps each system in concert with the engine running at its peak efficiency. The end result is class-leading fuel efficiency in the new K-Series small wheel loaders. We have demonstrated up to a 15% reduction in gallons burned per hour of operation on the 924 and the 930, and up to a 30% reduction in gallons burned per hour of operation on the 938 size class, substantially reducing your operating costs. The K-Series small wheel loaders offer a variety of working light options, including high-intensity discharge working lights for the front, so you can keep this loader running safely in extended shift conditions. The standard rear LED lights have been designed into the counterweights for added protection. The halogen-style grille lights can be set so that they come on when the machine is in reverse, working in conjunction with an integrated backup camera give another level of safety to this machine. The cooling package door has been redesigned so that it swings up and it takes the AC condenser with it for easy access. The cooling package is 30% larger and is a single plane 6 fin per inch standard density to make it less susceptible to any plugging in high debris environments, but also to keep this machine running cool even on high ambient temperature days. The K-Series small wheel loaders feature 3 large service doors which are non-sequential in design, such that they can be opened and closed in any order, giving great access to any underhood components. For operator convenience, all the daily service items have been located on the machine right side. Fuel, air filter, and access has been granted behind the tire so you can easily step in. A large access door has been designed in for improved access to engine oil, water fuel separator. The K-Series machines also feature an electronic fuel priming pump, which allows you to put fuel filters on dry and prime them automatically in about 20 seconds. K-Series small wheel loaders feature an easily accessible emergency shutdown switch as standard. They also feature an optional block heater for cold climate areas. Optional equipment on the new K-Series small wheel loaders are full tire coverage fenders, which have been designed to go up with the service door. 24-volt jumper studs will be a standard feature on the new K-Series small wheel loaders. We've also relocated the master disconnect on the operator side of the machine for your convenience. The K-Series small wheel loaders also feature a brand new operator environment with class-leading operator comfort, visibility, and industry-leading sound levels will keep you running at your peak efficiency all day long. The steps on the K-Series small wheel loaders have been inclined 12 degrees, so you feel like you're walking up a set of stairs on your way into the cab. We've also designed it with a large upper platform to make it easier to get in as well as getting out. Let's go out and have a look. Here we are in the best seat on your job site. The implement controls have been moved to the seat with some adjustments mechanism built in. The steering column is also tilt and telescope as standard so that you can be comfortable in this cab all day long. The controls of the new operator environment have been laid out so that they are all easily within reach. Automatic temperature control will also be a standard feature on the new K-Series models. The premium seat will offer heat and ventilation on an air ride suspension. The K-Series operator environment features class-leading visibility. Our single-piece front windshield with 40% larger wiper coverage area improves visibility down to the business end of this loader. We'll also bring to you electronically adjusted mirrors and 2 rear view mirrors so that you can see the back end of this machine as well. The K-Series operator environment features an optional secondary display, which allows on-the-fly adjustments at your fingertips for creeper control, rim pull control, third function flow adjust, and throttle lock. The K-Series small wheel loaders have been designed from the ground up to be class-leading in operator comfort, performance, and fuel efficiency. If you've got questions about the 938K or any of the small wheel loader K-Series machines, please contact your CAT dealership. We're looking forward to seeing one of these machines on your job site. Now let's go to work.